I had hoped that Achievers would help us solve employee engagement and employee experience, really making people feel seen and heard. And that's something that certainly helped us with. I'd also hoped that Achievers would really help us to create higher performing work culture, to really just reinforce what success looks like at CHRISTUS, and we've associated those recognitions with our competencies, so it's connected with our performance management process in a way, and that's been really effective. And then I would say some things that Achievers has helped us with that perhaps we weren't anticipating on the front end. I think one is just in general having a place that our associates can go where all the communication they're seeing, all of the text that they're seeing is all just very positive, and it's just a nice place to be. And it's a platform that touches everyone, so it creates this connectivity throughout the organization that I feel is really important. And I think we knew that we would get that with recognition, but I think just having that hub of positivity has been really nice. I would say something else that it's helped us with is reinforcing behavior change in some key areas in the organization. So whether that is through quality improvement efforts that we've looked to achieve, whether that is through gamification of learning and some different pieces there, it's given us a platform to really facilitate a lot of that. We've been partners with Achievers for a really long time now. Over that amount of time, I would have to say one of the key differentiators of Achievers is the customer success support that we receive. When I say that, the thing that makes it high quality support is the availability. It's the fact that the customer success team also functions as a united team. And so if we have a question or if we're trying to problem solve or think through something, they can either reach out to other customer success managers who have other clients who may have worked through those challenges before. And so that's hugely important, the responsiveness, the openness and communication, and really just that collaborative vibe of, hey, we're in this together. We both want this to be successful, and let's figure out a way to make that happen. So really that kind of can-do attitude of, you want to achieve something, let's figure out how we can do that or get as close to that as we can, has been really nice. One of the key ways that it's influenced patients is we had a quality program in one of our ministries where we were really looking to reduce harm events through creating incentives for teams that were able to achieve 0 harm events in a given period, and then cumulatively we would reward that. And we actually saw really tremendous success through that program. We were able to reduce the number of events that were occurring. So it was clear that that was working, and at the end of the day, our ministry is a ministry of healing. That's what we're looking to do at CHRISTUS Health as we care for our patients and our communities. And so making sure that we're not doing harm, well, that's fundamental to being successful there. And then ultimately, and there's been tons of research there. We've done some internally and externally. When your associates are having a great experience, when they're feeling recognized and seen, when they're being treated with dignity, then it puts them in a position to better treat our patients and their families and our communities with dignity and respect as well.